Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. It's time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. It's over. Tony in Florida. Tony.
Hey, Jim, got a big booyah from South Florida.
Wow, wish I were there. What's up?
Not much. I want to thank you for your new show that you have, or the new thing to help us out with
the Investment Club. Thank you. We're really pouring. We're trying so hard to do a good job for you. I really appreciate it. How can I help?
And another thing I want to thank you is that most people want to make money off of something. You just want to teach us, and I really appreciate that.
I said that. I was in Mexico City the other day. I said, my whole goal is to teach. I got a huge classroom here. I want to do well for everybody. Let me do well for you. What are you thinking?
Yeah, I have the stock that I bought after earnings because it missed it a little bit, and I'm a dog lover. I have dogs. My daughter has dogs, and we both use Chewy. And I bought it all the way down to 62, and now it's coming back up. I don't know if I should reinvest more into it.
Look, we're in the same boat. We use it too, particularly for toys. Stock's down 24% for the year because it's high-flying growth stock. I like it. I think you should buy more. I think it's in good shape. Let's go to Jared in Washington. Jared.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
I want your take on a digital consultancy called Perficient, ticker PRFT.
Yeah, that's a very red-hot business analytics company. We have too many of these. While Proficient may be proficient, I have to stick with Salesforce because that's lean and mean and been around for a long time. I know you need to go to Ithaca in Florida. Ithaca.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Oh, it's so good to talk to you, Jim. I need your opinion on the Berkshire Hathaway B. I bought 10 shares about a couple of years ago.
You are never going to go wrong buying the shares of Berkshire Hathaway, even after whatever happens to Mr. Buffett, because he's got a great team. Huge cash flow, a lot of great brands. I want you to stay long that stock. Karen in Virginia. Karen.
Hi, Jim. How are you?
I am good. How are you?
I'm wonderful. I need some guidance.
All right.
I need some guidance on TMC. After I bought it, it tanked. And I need to know if I should get out all the way.
Canadian battery company. I don't have much surety that that's going to be the winner. I just don't think it. Remember, there's not enough room for all these companies. We're starting to see companies getting shaken out. I don't want to be in with that company. Let's go to Dave in Florida. Dave.
Jim, how you doing? Happy day.
Listen, I'm calling you
about LEV. Lion Electric.
We liked Lion Electric. This is another zero-emission vehicle. Now, again, we're seeing this shakeout. And the shakeout says be careful with these names. You have to be careful with Fisker even, which you guys doing a good job. So we're going to hold back. It's everybody wants in Tesla, and it's taking all the money away from the group. Let's go to Greg in Georgia. Greg.
Hey, Jim, I'm calling about a growth fintech company spun out of Aaron's last year. They crushed earnings in Q1 and Q2. They're partnered with Best Buy, Lowe's, Signet Jewelers, and others, and they recently acquired a small buy now, pay later firm. Analysts have a $6 price target, but we're stuck in the low 40s. I'm talking about Prog Holdings, PRG.
I don't know Prog Holdings. Miss, there's a lot of new companies, aren't there? I do not know Prog Holdings. I am sorry. I need to know more. Let's go to Matt in Alabama. Matt.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
Hey, I got a question about Microvast. With Oshkosh being a pipe investor and the the Postal Service contract going electric, are we buying or selling?
No, we're not buying any of these lithium battery companies. There's too many of them, and they're all going down. And while they may have a move back up, it is going to be an opportunity to lighten up, not be bigger. Let's go to Joe in North Carolina, please. Joe.
Yes.
Go ahead, Joe. You're up.
Hi. All right. I was calling about Jazz Pharmaceuticals. They bought GWPH and just
look, I'm going to be unmitigated and tell you should buy this. They bought GWPH, and that is going to be still the only cannabis company that is going to get the medical recognition. And by the way, I don't see the federal government legalizing cannabis like everybody said they would. I like Jazz Pharma. That was a good move, and they didn't overpay. Jared in North Carolina. Jared.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
Of course.
Calling about a cloud software company out of Wilmington, North Carolina. Quick shout-out to all my people in Wrightsville Beach out there.
Okay.
They're a fintech space, and they're pushing their digital banking platform. So I want to get your take on a company called Encino.
Encino is a winner. You know, we had Upstart. We nailed Upstart below us 100. Now, this one is not taking off the way I wanted to, whether I expected. I want you to buy Encino. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.